I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Doom 2 on PC. First, you'll need the original Doom 2 game files, specifically the Doom 2 WAD file, which contains all the game's assets. You can usually find this in your game's installation directory, often within a base folder. Next, download a modern source port, such as GZDoom, which allows the game to run smoothly on current operating systems. Extract the source port files into a new, dedicated folder, then copy your Doom 2 WAD file into that same folder. This simple setup is your first step to demon-slaying fun. Choosing the right source port is crucial for your Doom 2 experience. GZDoom is a fantastic option, known for its broad mod compatibility and advanced graphical enhancements like dynamic lighting and three-dimensional models. If you prefer a more classic feel with subtle improvements, Crispy Doom is an excellent choice. For those eager to jump into online battles, Zandronum offers robust multiplayer support and an integrated server browser. These ports breathe new life into the game, providing modern conveniences while preserving the original's charm. Once your game is set up, it's time to dive into the action. The classic Doom 2 controls typically involve arrow keys for movement and the control key to fire, but modern source ports offer much more flexibility. You can usually enable full mouse look, allowing for precise aiming, and remap any key to your preference. Don't forget to use the escape key to access the main menu, where you can save your progress, load previous games, and fine-tune various gameplay options. Take some time to customize your controls for the best possible experience. One of the greatest aspects of Doom 2 is its vibrant modding community, which has produced thousands of incredible enhancements. From new weapons and enemies to entirely new campaigns, there's always something fresh to discover. Installing mods is often as simple as dragging the WAD or PK3 file onto your source port's executable. Beyond single-player content, many source ports, like Zandronum, facilitate online multiplayer, letting you team up with friends or compete against other players in deathmatch arenas. These community creations ensure that Doom 2 remains endlessly replayable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.